Hello learners, welcome back to Constant Learners. In today's video, we are exploring a powerful operation called the division operation in relational algebra. Alright, division operation is denoted by this division symbol or a slash symbol. Alright, let's start with the introduction. You might wonder, why do we need the division operation? Well, the division operation is particularly useful when dealing with queries that involve the words all or every. For example, imagine you need to find employees who are skilled in every programming language in a list. Alright, so you have a list of employees and you need to find out the employees who are skilled in every programming language. So when you get the word every, you're going to use the division operation. Or let's say we have a list of students and we need to find the students who have passed all subjects in a semester, right? So if we are finding out the employees who are skilled in every programming language or finding out the students who have passed in all the subjects, whenever we are getting the word all or every, we are using the division operation. Alright, so division operation helps us to express these all or every conditions in database query. Now to break it down, let's consider two relations or two tables, that is A and B. Right? When we say we perform A divided by B, we mean we are finding tuples from A that associate with every tuple in B. So whenever we are performing A divided by B, we mean that we are finding tuples from the table A that associate with every tuple from the table B. But here's the catch. This association is only possible if B is a proper subset of A, right? What is a proper subset? Proper subset means that every attribute or every column in B must also be present in A, right? So let's say we have two tables. This is table A and this is table B, alright? Table A has, let's say, 3 attributes and table B has 2 attributes. So both of these attributes must be present in the table A. Alright, both the attributes, I'm talking about both of these columns, must be present in the table A. Only then we say that B is a proper subset of A. Alright, this alignment is crucial because without this structure, the division operation won't work. Alright, you'll understand this when we do it with an example. So let's take an example to visualize this. Let's say we have to find the list of all the employees. So again, we have all the employees who have worked on all the projects, right? So since we are hearing the word all here, we are going to use the division operation. But before that, what are the tables here? We have the employees table and we have the project table. In the employees table, we have 2 attributes, employee ID and project ID. And in the project table, we only have one column, one attribute, that is project ID, right? Now we can see that this table here, the project table, is the proper subset of the employees table. Why? Because this column, project ID, is also present in the employees table, right? Thus, project table is the proper subset of employees table. Now what happens when we perform the division of these two tables, that is employee divided by project? See, here we have employee E1 who has worked on P1. P1 is present in the project table? Yes. Employee E1 has also worked on project P2. So he has worked on P2. Now employee E1 is not present anywhere else, right? After this we have employee E2 and E3. So employee E1 has worked only on project P1 and P2, right? Now we need to find all the employees who have worked on all the projects, but E1 has not worked on all the projects, right? So E1 will be eliminated from the output. Alright, let's look at the next one. We have employee E2 who has worked on P1. So P1 is present in the project table. Yes. Employee E2 has worked on P2. P2 is also present in the project table. And employee E2 has worked on project P3. So employee E2 has worked on all of the projects that are present in the project table, right? So employee E2 will be present in the output table because we have to list all the employees who have worked on all the projects. So E2 is an employee who has worked on all the projects. Next, we have employee E3 who has worked on project P2, and that's it. He has not worked on any other project, and thus he will also be eliminated from the output, right? So whenever we take employees divided by project, that is, we are performing the division operation, we only get the outcomes with every or all, right? So the output will be this, okay? E2, employee E2, because he is the only employee who has worked on all the projects. So I hope you've understood the concept of division. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others who are on the same learning journey. If you have any doubts or queries, you can mention them in the comment section and I'll make sure to respond to them. Let's keep unraveling these DBMS concepts together. Thank you so much for watching.